It's just a new way of thinking. Light up the broccoli, kid. Throw the relish in my back pocket. Keep your eyes open.
All my homes spacious, all the hoes patient. All go dates, on the road to Vegas. Dope boys get it, DJ K fit it. You just wanna finesse her, I already hit it. Fly you out to visit, flight miles only. Chevrolet exquisite, dry cloth only. Lighters on the dresser, baddest bitches step up. Pull off at the car wash, as I throw the setup. Young jet setters, jet like feathers. All my niggas suffer as the snake slither. I got the eagle out, before the eagle out. Smoking dad with her, I let you eat them out.
Project. My niggas survive just like a moving talk. Projects. With niggas living, some sell garbage. That's projects. Try to escape the flying shells. Dog projects. I'm living large, yo, stop mirage.
Sign of the times, conspiracy to overthrow the mind. Behind every fortune there's a crime. This technique is Tech 9. Blast at any close encounter of the third kind. This be the evil that man do. We dismantle any adversary. Them niggas all thumbs and can't handle my flurry. Hear me, you jam on, you wanna scare me. Don't even kid me. Shit in my coat, aiming at your kidney. Pressure, red hot like chili pepper. Black and Decker, hardware, avoid the leper. 5 o'clock shadow boxer, hold down the sector. Bet your bottom dollar lecture, be hard to swallow. 007 more, the secret agent that Maxwell and get smart. Do entertainment, welcome to the killing fields with Johnny Dangerous. Headbanger boogie niggas going through changes.
Projects. My niggas survive just like a moving talk. Projects. With niggas living, some sell garbage. That's projects. Try to escape the flying shells. Dodge projects. I'm living large, yo, stop miraging.
Suck my dick, it's the kid with the fat knob. A bust all into your face. Plus it come in globs, quick, get on your knees. With your sweet pussy, let it breathe. 2 fingers is all in your hole. Think I can fit 3 of your pink lips. Spread it and shit. Let me throw my dick in. Grab my shit and place it gently on your click. Ping pong pussy. Wild world, the wounds, titties sagging. Stomach on some scribbled up prone shit. Too much air in your pussy, you're screaming that it's talking to your daddy. Bars breathing out your lips, splashing my dick valley. Use vinegar to try to tighten up your ginger. But mighty dick ran in with a cape. Some call him engine lightning raw bar. Black candy cane attached to guard. Thick like a great adventure cigar. In your garage, pregnant pussy have you fall out like Remy on the house. Watch the teeth with slobbing my shit. You bit it on the couch.
Project. My niggas survive just like a moving talk. Projects. With niggas living, some sell garbage. That's projects. Try to escape the flying shells. Dog projects. I'm living large, yo, stop. Bound Guyana sword, take over the set. Rep from here to Quebec. Throw up the tech, crash your intellect. Select a bet. Swimsuit, mammal handle. Yo, every fly vandal. Yo, the project slam you like Hamill's whitewater scandal. Wally sandal, just a sim. My niggas fertilize thoughts. Show mad support. Drink the port, the vamp. When asked to cancel, my pen sterile. Won't perform if I'm not lampable. Asking my man to get you slapped down. Play the anthem, lit it. Who with it? Champagne did it. That's the ticket. Salad 9, sounding like cricket. Snatch your work and shipment full of air. Long dick it. We talked right before we left. Lifted, just like a long sleeve. Guess who ripped it?